Hello learners, welcome to SanskarEdutech. I am Ranjana Kurhade, Assistant Professor at PD Turakhia Junior College of Commerce and Science in the IT department. In today's session, I will explain what is e-commerce, the difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce, the advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. First, I will explain what is e-commerce. E-commerce or electronic commerce refer to the buying and selling of good service using the internet and electronic platform such as a website and mobile apps. It is also called a paperless exchange of business information carried out using the EDI, electronic data interchange, email, electronic fund transfer. Examples of e-commerce included online marketplace, for example, Amazon, Flipkart, digital products, e-books, music, software, online courses, online banking, for example, payment processing, fund transfer, bill payment, online booking, airlines, train and bus ticket reservation. Now let's see the difference between ट्रेडिशनल कॉमर्स एंड ई कॉमर्स. ट्रेडिशनल कॉमर्स जो हम लोग मार्केट में जाके फिजिकली शॉपिंग करते हैं वो ट्रेडिशनल कॉमर्स है. ई कॉमर्स जो हम लोग मोबाइल पे स्क्रीन पे शॉपिंग करते हैं वो ई कॉमर्स है. फर्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन traditional commerce conducted offline in physical stores, shops and markets. Face-to-face interaction between buyers and sellers, limited to business hours, restricted to local or regional customers. Higher operational cost, for example, rent, staff, electricity, many more. Payment mostly through the cash, sometimes using the cards. Promotions through the local ads, banners and word of mouth. E-commerce conducted online via websites, apps and digital platforms. Virtually interaction between buyers and sellers. Accessible 24 hours, 7 days, anytime, day or night. Globally reach customers worldwide. Digital payments, for example, UPI, credit cards, debit cards, wallet, net banking. Promotion through digital marketing, personalized ads and data analytics. Advantages of e-commerce. First advantages, global scope. E-commerce enable sellers to reach buyers worldwide without a geographical barriers. For examples, software company in the UK can provide a cloud-based service to business in Australia. Second advantage, electronic transactions. Reduce paperwork and less transaction cost. Enable credit cards, debit cards, smart cards, electronic fund transfer and other online payment methods. For examples, online banking, fund transfer between account via internet banking. Third advantage, anytime shopping. Provide a convenience as a customers can shop 24 hours, 7 days, no restrictions of working hours like physical stores. For examples, food delivery app such as Zomato and Swiggy orders at any time on the day. Disadvantages of e-commerce. First disadvantage, set up a cost. Require investment in the hardware, software, employees, training and ongoing maintenance. For example, cost of websites, development, payment, gateway setup and cybersecurity updates. Second disadvantage, lack of physical presence. Absence of personal interaction may be unsuitable for certain business like jewelry or interior design. For example, students attending in a person classes with the peers and teachers is an experience e-learnings cannot fully replace. Third disadvantage is security. Theft like credit cards, fraud, identify theft and data breaches remain a major concern. For example, encouraging strong password and using encryptions help products and sensitive customer data. Fourth disadvantage, delivery issue. Problems may arise with the shipping, delay, damage, items or wrong deliveries. For example, customers receiving incorrect or damaged goods often leads to dissatisfaction and poor reviews. So, in the end, the conclusion is e-commerce has transformed the way we buy and sell, offering convenience, global reach and efficiency, but it is also comes with the challenges like a setup cost, lack of personal touch and security risk. Thank you.